Today we're checking out this Hyper Tough folding keychain knife from Walmart. It only costs $5.88, so the question is this a great little everyday carry knife, or is it just another cheap gadget? Before we get started, I wanted to give a huge shout out to my friend Johnny Pennington. Johnny actually told me about this knife and thought it would be a great budget review. So thanks for the recommendation, Johnny. I'm Keith with Keith's Tool Reviews, where we do real tools, real tests, real reviews. Now, let's get this out of the package.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for...
Alright, let's get this open and get into it. Here we go. So first off, I can tell this is designed to be compact. It's an everyday little carry knife. The weight is pretty light. It's got the pocket carabiner. The build quality feels pretty stout. For something that costs under $6, this is a great buy. So here's what you get. You get the folding blade, you get the compact size, you get the built-in carabiner. You can carry this in your pocket, your backpack. It's very lightweight. This isn't meant to replace a large work knife. It's designed to be something you always have with you. So for that, I have to give it a good review on this, because so far I'm liking the way it feels, the way the mechanism works. I'm liking this. Alright, so we're going to try this again. I had recorded it and it got deleted or something. So we're going to run through a few tests. We're going to cut some string here. There we go. It sliced right through it. I've got a box here with some packing tape that I went ahead and packaged. Cut right through that. It sliced right through opening the Amazon box to get my package out. And I sliced through a charger, just in case there's any electricians out there that might be trying to strip wires or anything with this. So there you go. I mean, you just saw that. That was pretty simple. So we're going to slice through this and show you how well it slices through cardboard packaging, kind of like these little mailers that they send you in the mail. There's something else that was tested. Here is some plastic that we just sliced open. So all in all, this is a pretty good knife. Alright, so the next thing we're going to talk about here is the grip. It feels really decent in your hands, especially compared to like an older Hyper Tough box cutter, and it's even bulkier. I even have my Craftsman one here that is even bigger than that. So, but for the $5.88 price point, I believe that is a great deal. I like the sharpness of the blade lock. It's easy to open. There's no blade play at all. It was very comfortable using it. Let's talk about some pros and cons. The pros, the price point, $5.88, decent price. Cannot beat that. I like that it's compact, it's easy to carry, and surprisingly, it's a solid little knife. Some of the cons, there's only one con that I found, and that is the carabiner. Sometimes it feels like it's harder to press, but maybe the opening of the carabiner just be a little bigger. But other than that, I have nothing bad to say about this knife. It's actually a really decent knife. All right, so we're going to go over the final score. On the build quality, we're going to give it a 10 out of 10. The knife sharpness, so far I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. The comfort, It was very comfortable in the hands. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. For the value, the price point, $588, really good deal. So it's going to get a 10 out of 10. Overall score, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. So the next question, would I buy it again? Yes. For the compact size and the price point, that makes it a really great deal. So overall, this Hyper Tough knife gets the KTR approved rating for compact size and price point. So I want to thank Johnny again for recommending this knife. If there's a tool you'd like to see me test next, leave it in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and remember, real tools, real tests, real reviews. I'm Keith, and I'll see you in the next review. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, check out one of these videos right here, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.